I purchased a 2017 Polaris Sportsman 450, and there is a terrible rattling sound that is coming from this area right here. And I have finally managed to locate it and fix it. Let me show you what I've done here. First of all, you got to pop up the seat like that. And the issue that has occurred is that the covering for the air filter intake comes up here, and there is supposed to be a piece of foam right here. But sadly, that piece of foam does not protect or does not keep this from rattling. So all I did was cut a piece of clear tubing. It's maybe 4 inches, and then I just cut it in half here so that it will fit over this plastic piece and prevent that pipe from rattling. It's a simple fix, and one nice thing is that the front of the seat will actually help keep that in place so it's not going to be going anywhere. But if you're having an issue with the rattle here on your Polaris, you might want to give that a try. It's just enough to pad that intake. Hope you find that helpful. I know this can be really annoying because it is just loud enough that you can't talk to your buddy or hear anything else that's going on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.